Hi children, I hope all of you safe and healthy. Myself Manju Prince. I am your English teacher. So this year there is no change in our English literature book, that is Mulberry book. So welcome to your new session in our Mulberry book. So let us start our lesson. Our first lesson name is Pippi Goes to the Circus. Before we begin, let me introduce you the writer, that is Astrid Lindgren. She was a Swedish writer who wrote fiction and screenplays. Many of her books are based on her childhood memories. The Pippi Longstocking stories are about an unusual girl Pippi who is brave, funny, and strong. Now, let us start our lesson from the starting. There is an activity given for you. How much do you know about life at sea? Take this short quiz to find out. What is a room on a ship called? A booth or a cabin? Do you know? What is the answer? That is a cabin. How do you walk on the board a ship? On a gangplank or an escalator? Answer is gangplank. Now the next one, what do we call the wheel for steering a ship or a boat? The helm, or the joystick? Answer is the helm. Fourth one, it is, how do you look out of a room on a ship? Through porthole or through a window? Through porthole. Now who commands a ship? A general or a captain? Answer is a captain. So these are the answers. Now let us start our lesson. Pippi was an extraordinarily strong, red-headed 9-year-old girl whose father was a sea captain. Because she had grown up at sea, she didn't know much about life on land. Let's read what happened when Pippi's friends Tommy and Annika invited her to go with them to the circus. So Pippi was an extraordinarily strong, red-headed 9-year-old girl. Her father was a captain. That's why she had grown up at sea only. She didn't know much about life on land. So she had two friends. Their name is Tommy and Annika. So both of them invited her to go with them to the circus. Actually, Pippi didn't know what is a circus. So let us read what happened next. A circus had come to the little town, and all the children were begging their mothers and fathers for permission to go. Of course, Tommy and Annika asked to go too, and their father gave them some money. Clutching it tightly in their hands, they rushed over to Pippi's. So, in their town, in Annika's and Tommy's town, a circus had come. Then all the children in that town asked permission to their parents to go and see the circus. Normally, our Tommy and Annika also asked permission to go for circus. Their parents allowed, and their father gave them some money also. And clutching it tightly. Clutching means holding tightly, holding something tightly in their hands, and they run to Pippi. Pippi, said Tommy, all out of breath because they had been running so fast. Pippi, do you want to go with us to the circus? Tommy asked to Pippi that, Pippi, do you want to come with us to the circus? I can go with you most anywhere, answered Pippi. But whether I can go to the circus or not, I don't know because I don't know what a circus is. Does it hurt? So, Pippi's answer is very silly answer. She told to Tommy that she can come with them anywhere, but she don't know, she doesn't know what is a circus. That's why she pronounced circus pronounced wrongly, and she is thinking that is it some creature. That's why she told her, does it hurt? Silly, said Tommy. Of course it doesn't hurt. It's fun. There are horses and clowns and people that walk the tightrope. So Tommy made to understand her what is a circus. Okay, there is horses, clowns, people that walk the tightrope. Now the next page. But it costs money, said Annika. Annika said to Pippi that, but it costs money. Opening her small fist to see if the shiny $50 and the quarters were still there. So Annika's papa gave them some money. She showed that money to Pippi and said that it costs money. I'm rich as a troll, said Pippi. So I guess I can buy a circus all right. So she is telling that I'm rich as a troll. What is the meaning of troll? Troll meaning is a cave dwelling creature described as either a giant or a dwarf. In ancient folklore, trolls were supposed to guard ancient treasure. That's why our Pippi told to Annika that I'm rich as a troll, so I can buy the circus. Oh, don't be so silly, said Tommy. You don't buy a circus. It costs money to go and look at it. Oh, don't be silly, Pippi. We can't buy the circus. It costs money to see. Look at that. Oh dear, cried Pippi and shut her eyes tightly. It costs money to look, and here I go around goggling all day long. Goodness knows how much money I have goggled up already. At last, Tommy and Annika managed to explain to Pippi what a circus really was, and she took some money out of her suitcase. Then she put on her hat, which was as big as a millstone, and off they all went. So Tommy, Annika and Pippi, at last they ready to go. So Pippi took some money from her suitcase and she put on her hat, and her hat is like a millstone, so big as a millstone, and they all went for the circus. Now this is the lesson for you today. So only two word meanings you have to learn. That is, first one here in the first page, clutching, and the second one it is troll and a millstone. Troll and a millstone. So only 3 word meanings you have to learn and read the lesson. So see you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.